this is Dolce at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Hi, Dolce. Oh, no, that's not Dolce making the noise. You have another name too, don't you? I've forgotten what your other name is. Most recently you've been called something else. Isn't that right? Well, careful, you're going to knock your food over. There you go. Here's the treats that you cut up to get. Over here, Dolce. Mmm. Well, you're a very pretty kitty. Yes, you're a friendly kitty, aren't you? Hi, it's over here. Here's the treats. Look at those eyes. Yes, you've got gorgeous, gorgeous eyes. Oh, one. Oh, please pat me. Please pat me. Seems like everybody's calling for me right now, huh? It's bedtime. But they heard the bag of treats. Everybody heard the bag of treats. Bye-bye, Dolce. Bye.